Some more on type alias. Uh, you know already type alias is you can take the alternate name or another name to the existing data type. I'm taking the ht for integer. I'm taking the alternate name f to the float. I'm taking the str to the string data type. I'm taking the strary to the string type array. It is int array. It is a taking the alternate name to the integer array. Look at here. We'll see the this example. I'm taking the st for the alternate name to the existing data type, that is the integer. We'll see how to declare it. I'm declaring some a. I'm taking the variable name is a st. Instead of integer, I am using the st. It has done. Again, I am taking the ft for the float. Alternate name to the float ft. I am declaring the alternate name. I am declaring the one variable using the type alias name or alternate name. I am declaring the b. It is a type of ft means it is the alternate name to the float. So we need to give the float value always. We'll check it out. I'm giving the integer value. It is accepted, but it has converted as a float value. We'll check it out. I will print it. What is the output now b? We'll check it. What is the output when you print the a? We'll look at here. We'll run it and I will check it out. What is a value? 100 has printed, but we declare the ft. It is a float, but I assigned a value of integer. We'll check it out. What will happen? What is the output? 200.0, because of it converted as automatically float values. Okay, but this is the integer value, so I would like to assign the float value. We'll check it out. What will happen? Look at here. In this scenario, it will not take float value instead of integer value, but float has taken integer value. Okay, understand what I'm trying to tell you. Float has taken the integer value. It has converted by default float value, but integer value never take the any other type value instead of uh, even float value also it will not accepted. Okay, integer accepted integer values, but float has accepted integer value as well as float value. If we give the integer value, it has converted as a float value, so it is accepted. But if we give the string, it will not accepted. Okay, for giving the string, always you need to use the string data type. I am taking the str for the string data type. I am declaring the one variable. I am declaring the var. Name of the variable is I am taking the name. Okay, instead of string I am taking the str Vikrant. If we print the name, what is the output here? Vikrant will be printed. Okay, not only taking the alternate name to the integer or float or double or string or these are data types. You can take the alternate name to the any data type or any type or any class. Class also is a data type. Any structure also it is a data type. Here I am taking the string type array, and it is the integer array. String type array I am taking the str array. It is the alternate name to this string array. It is the alternate name to the this integer array. Okay, by default string and integer float all this by default these are internally these are the structures. Actually here we call it as data types, but internally these are all are the structures. So what I'm trying to tell you is you can take the any type structure or class. You can take the alternate name to the any data type. Either these data types are structures, predefined structure or user defined structure, predefined classes or user defined classes. Okay, look at here. This is a string array. So we need to initialize the some names data. I am giving the variable data array of the type. What is the type I am giving? str array. This is the alternate name. Okay, you need to give the only the strings, because of that is the string array. This is the string array. You can take the alternate name to the string array. So look at here, it will not accepted. Okay, so you need to give the only string objects. Whatever you want, you can give it, no problem, but should be in the double quote. Whatever given in the double quote, whatever given, it is a number or it is a strings or whatever characters, whatever given inside the double quote, that is called the string. If you give like this is a string, not a number. Okay, considered as a string. If you give the numbers also, it is not a number here, it is a string object. Okay, if you give like this also, no problem. Whatever given inside in the double quote, that is called a string. This is not a number, so you can give like this also, no problem. If we print this, what is the output here? 111 and 2, it will be printed. Okay, I am assigning this integer array also, because of this is the alternate name to the integer array. I am taking the numbers. What is the name? Variable name is the numbers. I am giving the int ary. You should give only the numbers only, don't give the string instead of numbers. Okay, we'll check it out. I am printing this array. What is the output? Numbers. Okay, we'll check it out directly. This is the this one. What is the name? Vikrant will be printed here. Before the 200 will be printed here and 100 will be printed here. Now I am checking this data array. What is it? Data array. Don't look at here. You can check it here also, no problem. Just keep on the cursor. You can check it out. What are the values it is have? What is it is value? String. It is a string, not a number. 111, 2. This is what is the position? In the first position, it is having the string. Second position also, it is having a string. First position means 0th position. The first position means it is the second position. 0th 1th position. Okay, this is the array. We'll talk about arrays and all the stuff in later videos. Next, we'll check it out this int array. What is it having? Numbers. It is having the 4 numbers: 0th position, first position, second position, third position. Okay, we'll check it here. This is all the integers. Look at here. This is the output. Okay. Finally, my point is, you can take the alternate name to the any data type or any classes or any structures. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, just comment me, and please like and subscribe my videos for doing the more on these shift tutorials. Thank you.